Kaylin, caught you red-handed. You're not supposed to adjust that. Yeah.
Everything is okay.
What's about to happen here, girl?
I am skydiving for my first time.
Yes, you are. You excited?
I'm very excited.
Nervous?
Nervous.
Can't have both, one or the other.
Best kind of friends.
Nervous.
Yeah?
Nervous.
All right, so you're feeling it out. You got a first taste of skydiving today. You ready for it? Any last words before we head up there?
Who's coming with me?
That guy right there, woo! All right, you guys are cute. Here pretty soon that plane is gonna start. That one way over there. That's a bus, but it's on the other side there, okay? It's gonna start up, you're gonna hop on. It's gonna take you up to 13,000 feet. You're gonna jump out, you're gonna fall for about a minute, 120 miles an hour. You ready to get this done? Let's do it, girl. Woo! See you up there.
What's happening?
You're feeling good. Any last words before we head on the plane?
You got my back, right?
I got your back. That's right. All right, sounds good. I will see you out that door, okay? Woo!
Thank you so much, Evo.
You're awesome. No problem. Want to try spin? Okay. You're going to keep this left hand up. Right. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, girl, welcome back to Earth. How's it feel? Was that not the most fun you could have with your clothes on? That was the best. Woo! Nice job. Cool. Yeah! That was awesome. Woo! All right, girl. Amazing. Awesome.
Amazing.
We'll see you next time, Skydive Tap. Woo!
No one knows you better. I wanna dance, I wanna dance, I wanna dance with you. So take a chance, take a chance.